This is a gourmet twist on a sandwich shop favorite. We're going to elevate the experience of a turkey and cheese with a layer of spiced blueberry jam. I start with homemade blueberry jam, but if you want, you can always start with store-bought. Stir in a spritz of lemon juice and a sprinkle of store-bought garam masala and a generous pinch of salt. We're going to whip it until it's nice and smooth. Slice a ciabatta roll in half lengthwise. Place cheese on the top piece of the roll in the oven for 4 to 6 minutes. Spread a generous layer of the spiced blueberry jam over the cheese. Add a generous layer of mayonnaise on the bottom half of the roll and top with the turkey. Toss arugula with olive oil, vinegar, and a little bit of spiced blueberry jam. Place a handful on top of the turkey, add the onions, and now you're ready to eat.